A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once upon a time, there was a rabbit. It was roaming here and there. Suddenly, it found a ball. It was a big, round and colorful ball. The rabbit picked it up and looked at it carefully. It was a very hard tool. Whose egg is this? The rabbit wondered. The rabbit called his dear friend Tortoise. Is this a tiger's egg? He asked. The tortoise said, No, the tiger egg is not so big. The rabbit called his friend Monkey and asked, Is this a camel's egg? The monkey said, No, it is not camel's egg, as the egg of the camel is not colorful. By now, the rabbit was confused as to whose egg could it be. He decided to call another friend of his, the stork. Is this an elephant's egg? The rabbit asked him. The stork placed the ball near him and poked it with its beak. The ball burst with a fizz sound, and the air started coming out of it. The stork finally concluded that it was a wind's egg. Yes, it's a wind's egg, agreed the rabbit, the tortoise and the monkey. They all laughed out with joy and jumped happily.